Friends, today we are going to discuss some important questions which are based on Indian geography. So, Tirupur Bihar is associated with which industry? So, your answer is silk. Next question, which states are leading producers of poppy? Your answer is Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. Birla Planetarium is situated in Kolkata, which is in West Bengal. Next question is, in which Indian state petroleum is found? In Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High Basin. Next question is, Bhaskara was launched from Russian rocket launching station Cosmodrome, Soviet Union. Next question is, what is the capital of Chhattisgarh state? Your answer is Raipur. Next question, how many union territories are there in India? So there are 8 union territories now in India instead of 7 union territories. Your answer is 8 instead of 7. Okay, now come to question number 68. National Highway 3 connects Agra to Gwalior, Indore to Nasik, Nasik to Mumbai. Next question is, Kakarpara project is located at river Tapi, which is situated in Gujarat. Come to next question. Carbet National Park is situated in. Your answer is Nainital, which is in Uttarakhand. Next question is, Mumbai, Maharashtra is associated with which industry? Your answer is film industry, atomic reactor. Come to next question, which states are leading producers of coconut? So your answer is Kerala and Tamil Nadu are leading producers of coconut. Come to next question, Island Palace is situated in Udaipur. Your answer is Udaipur, which is now in Rajasthan. Next question is, in which Indian state uranium is found? Where is uranium found? Your answer is Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Karnataka. Come to next question, which rocket was used to launch Bhaskara? Your answer is Inter-Cosmos rocket. Come to next question, what is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Your answer is Chandigarh. Come to question number next. The sea on the western side of Indian peninsula is known as Arabian Sea. Come to next question. National Highway 4 connects Thane to Belgaum, Bangalore to Ranipet to Chennai. Next question is, what is the purpose of Kakapara project? Your answer is irrigation. Come to next question, which species are found in Carbet National Park? Your answer is elephant, tiger, sloth bear, sambar, panther, nilgai are found in Carbet National Park. Come to next question, Buenos Aires, Argentina is associated with which industry? Your answer is dairy products and meat. Come to next question, which states are leading producers of linseed? Your answer is Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Haryana. Come to next question, Jagannath temple is situated in. You know very well, your answer is Puri, now in Orissa. Come to next question, in which Indian state thorium is found? Thorium is found in Kerala and Rajasthan. Come to next question, what was the purpose of Bhaskara? Your answer is earth scanning. Come to next question, what is the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli Union Territory? Your answer is Silvassa. Come to next question, the sea on the eastern side of Indian peninsula is known as Your answer is Bay of Bengal. Come to next question. National Highway 7 connects Varanasi to Jabalpur, Jabalpur to Nagpur, Nagpur to Hyderabad, Hyderabad to Bangalore, Bangalore to Madurai, and Madurai to Kanyakumari. Next question is Kottagodaam project is located at Singareni Coalfields, which is located in Telangana. Come to next question. Dachigram Sanctuary is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Next question is Cadiz, Portugal is associated with which industry? Your answer is cork. Which state are leading producers of groundnut? Your answer is Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Next question is Vijay Stambha Tower of Victory is situated in? Your answer is Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. Come to next. In which Indian state silver, zinc and lead are found? Your answer is Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Karnataka. Come to next. Rohini RS-1 was launched on 10th August 1979. Unsuccessful. Come to next. What is the capital of Daman and Diu Union Territory? Your answer is Daman. Next is what is latitudinal extent of India? Which is 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes. Come to next. National Highway 8 connects Delhi to Jaipur, Jaipur to Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad to Vadodara and Vadodara to Mumbai. Come to question number next. What is the purpose of Kottagodaam project? Your answer is thermal power. Come to next. Which species are found in Dachigram Sanctuary? Your answer is Kashmir stag, which is known as Hongol. Come to next. Kolkata, West Bengal is associated with which industry? Your answer is jute, paper, leather works. Come to next question. Which states are leading producers of rape seed and mustard? Your answer is Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Haryana. Come to next. Jama Masjid is situated in Delhi. Come to next question. In which Indian state diamond is found? Your answer is Panna, MP and Banda in UP. Next question is Rohini RS-1 was launched from Rocket Launching Center, Sriharikota Range, Andhra Pradesh, India. Next question is what is the capital of Delhi? NCT. Your answer is Delhi. Come to next question. What is the longitudinal extent of India? Your answer is 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Come to next. National Highway 9 connects Pune to Solapur, Solapur to Hyderabad, Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Come to next. Kosi project is located at the river Kosi, which is in Bihar. Come to next. Dudhwa National Park is situated in Lakhimpur Kheri in UP. Come to next question. Chittaranjan is associated with which industry? Your answer is locomotives. Next question is which states are leading producers of sesame? Your answer is Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Come to next. Black Pagoda is situated in, your answer is Konark in Odisha. Come to next. Which minerals occur as alluvial deposits in sands of valley floors and the base of hills? Your answer is gold, silver, tin and Platinum. Come to next. Which rocket was used to launch Rohini RS-1? Your answer is SLV-3. Come to next. What is the capital of Goa state? Your answer is Panaji. Come to next. Which is the 7th largest country in the world? Your answer is India in area wise. Come to question number next. National Highway 15 connects. Your answer is Pathankot to Amritsar, Amritsar to Bhatinda, Bhatinda to Ganganagar, Ganganagar to Bikaner, Bikaner to Jaisalmer, Jaisalmer to Kanra. What is the purpose of Kosi project? Your answer is flood control and irrigation. Come to next. And the last question is, which species are found in Dudhwa National Park? Your answer is tiger, sambar, panther and nilgai. So friends, these were the 15 topmost questions which are based on Indian geography. I hope you like this effort. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.